hera. Kawadhi nyime en ni eikruok ne nyasi mar Mashujaa e kaonti ma Kericho, piny owacho mar kaonti no lando nyasi mar nyisruok mar jopur mar ndalo ariyo. Jatend migawo mar pur e kaonti no Michael Bet owacho ni nyasi no biro timore tarik 12 kod 13 dweni e kar somo ma Sosiot. Kamano bende omedo ni kaonti no osechako chenro mar ndiko jopur e kaonti go ne gigo mitimo mar bedo gi andika makare.
Part of this exhibition is a build-up to Mashujaa Day. We know our county will be hosting Mashujaa Day on 20th. So this is part of what we are showcasing as the Department for Agriculture or the county government for Kericho. So we are showcasing what we are doing, what we are able to do, and value addition. We realize that the national government in partnership with the county government for Kericho are setting up the agro-processing zone in Sigawit. So part of our activities is to this like a curtain raiser towards that event, the Mashujaa Day and the agro-processing zone. We also appreciate the national government that they are coming up with the milk processing plant in Belgut sub-county. Already the process has started. We've done public participation and the arrangements are in advanced stages.